That's my Johnny boy. In a Johnny world. He's so fantastic. And so, get your ass in the house! Fucking Lucy. See, if Jail would have been here and had that door open, all these dogs would have been out. That bitch knew. As soon as she seen me get, oh shit, let me get back in the house real quick. Playing that shit with you, motherfucker. Hey, Artemis, you healing up, baby? Walking good. Look how brolic these motherfucking Frenchies are. These fucking Frenchies are brolic, boy. They made with steel for real. Steel for real. Fucking Latinos. All my Latinos out here. Everywhere I go. Shit. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, though, Mike. Indeed.